days after the devastating fire destroyed the Gallery Furniture Warehouse on May 21st, 2009, we're reopening the new warehouse because of you, our great customers' tremendous support. Gallery Furniture says, buy your furniture, buy your electronics today on a $1 million movie sale. Gallery Furniture delivers tonight. No waiting, no delay, no frustrating backroad slips. The day of the fire, I was scheduled to give a speech at Clear Lake Junior High School that day at noon, and Westbury Christian School, the commencement address that night. Both of them called early that morning and said, you're canceling. Of course, I said, no, I don't cancel. I was taught when I went to a junior high and high school to fulfill commitments. So I did the speech at Clear Lake Junior High, did the commencement speech that night at Westbury Christian School. The store went on, and a lot of people were saying that I had contacted an arsonist to burn down the store, but that didn't bother me at all because I knew what the truth was. It was a terrible tragedy, and we would never do anything like that. So we just kept going on. We did what we do best. We took care of customers, took care of the community. What does not destroy me only serves to make us stronger. We definitely got stronger because of that fire. And even though the building burned down, the main store had super heavy smoke and water damage. We opened the first part of the store back up on July 4th, sold furniture that day, got the entire warehouse crew back in. About a year later, they operated out of this warehouse in Sugar Land for a year. They were just total troopers doing that. And we never missed a beat because we have great employees who love delighting customers. You see all the crowds behind us? They're running to the giant marathon sale at Gallery Furniture. They're running out to 6006 I-45 North between Tittle Parker for this Sunday, the final day of the giant marathon sale. Actually, they're running in the Houston Tenneco Marathon, and so am I, folks. But if you want to run for great values on furniture, come out to Gallery Furniture today. We have a lot of wacky promotions about sports because I'm a big sports fan. A lot of our customers are as well. So in 2014, we did a promotion that said if the team from Seattle beats the team from Denver in the Super Bowl, you get your money back. Gallery Furniture is currently refunding $600,000. That's right, $600,000 to our great customers who won Pigskin Promotion #1. Now it's time for Pigskin Promotion #2. And we thought we'd sell maybe $2,000 or $3,000 worth of furniture. I think the customers had to buy $5,000 to get in the promotions. We thought we'd sell $2 or $3 million. Well, the promotion really got out of control, and I'll never forget the Saturday before the Super Bowl, for the first time ever, we sold out of furniture. And I had to get on top of the desk and scream at 6 o'clock at night, no more, it's over. And people were in a line still trying to check out. It was the wildest event of my career. Come to Gallery Furniture. Buy $6,000 or better with Gallery Furniture or accessories. Have it delivered by February 2nd, 5 o'clock before the kickoff of the big game in New Jersey. Pick the team from Seattle, and if the team from Seattle wins, you get 100%, that's right, 100% of your purchase price back, free. Pigskin Promotion #2, win, win, win. I had some mini strokes several years ago. I was very concerned about it. My arm would be numb, my face would be tingling. I knew the signs of a stroke, so went to several different doctors. Finally was referred to Dr. James Grotta at UT Medical Center, and he got me on the right medications, and the symptoms went away. That was a tremendous amount of pressure off my mind. And then he came and said, we're doing this mobile stroke unit. Would you consider funding it? And I said, what in the world is a mobile stroke unit, Doc? And he said, well, when people have a stroke, normally it's about an hour to hour and a half before they get treatment because they got to call an ambulance. The ambulance has to come pick them up. You got to take them to the hospital, then they got to do the workup for them, and it's a long process. And during that period of 60 minutes to 90 minutes to 120 minutes, you lose 1 million brain cells a minute, which is a whole lot of brain cells, especially somebody like me. And he said, the mobile stroke unit, when they have a stroke, we'll go to their home, we'll put them on the stretcher, take them into the ambulance, and we'll have a machine on the ambulance that does a CAT scan on them and tells what type of strokes they're having, and then we can inject the chemicals in them, and the stroke will be over in a high percentage of the strokes. So it sounded like a good deal to me. They had one in Germany that was very successful, so we donated quite a bit of money to the mobile stroke unit, and now it's saved all kind of people's lives all over Houston. And almost once a month somebody comes in and said, your mobile stroke unit saved my life. So it's very gratifying, and I'm very grateful to Dr. Grotta and all the people at the University of Texas Health Science Center have done so much work on this mobile stroke unit. They continue to do it every day and save lives every day.
He's donated to the Texas Heart Institute and Baylor College of Medicine and has brought a multitude of medical firsts to Houston. From co-founding the Peace of Mind Foundation for treating OCD to helping bring both the Menninger Clinic and the country's first mobile stroke unit to Houston.
We are opening a big furniture store, Gallery Furniture, Grand Parkway right here. My wife Linda's in charge of the construction, so it's going to be built. She's more driven than I am. And we are proud to be in Fort Bend County, where we will be practicing capitalism with a cause. That's what we do at Gallery Furniture. We've done it for 33 years. We hope to continue to do it. Capitalism with a cause means we're here to make money, but we're also here to give back to the community. Gallery Furniture Grand Parkway, a lot of the people in Houston that were our great customers live in Katy, they live in Richmond, live in Fort Bend County, so we opened Gallery Furniture Grand Parkway. It's a big store. It has lots of great amenities in it for the children. We've got a giant aquarium there. We've got a wonderful Lopez restaurant there. We've got a big space we donate to Brookwood, which is a home for adults with learning disabilities, and their citizens come and make their arts and crafts there and sell them in the Brookwood store. Brookwood is great for people to get self-esteem through work, so we donate that big 10,000 square foot space to them every month. So it's a great furniture store, lots of fun out there. It's doing very well. We're excited to be in Fort Bend County with the Gallery Furniture Grand Parkway. We've got a big atrium in the middle with an American exceptionalism exhibit showing some of the great inventors in our country's history. We've got some antique train sets there. It's quite the place to take the family, have a great time. See some great artifacts there in our American Exceptionalism exhibit, and most importantly, buy some great made in America furniture at Gallery Furniture Grand Parkway and have it delivered the same day.